Hi guys, today I am sharing you Arzo pasta salad recipe. For that you will need boiled Arzo pasta, kidney bean, olive oil, red, orange, green bell pepper, black olive, tomato, lettuce, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, vinegar, dry parsley, oregano. In a bowl, add Arzo pasta and all vegetable, mix very well. After we will make our dressing with olive oil, add vinegar, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, oregano, dry parsley and mix very well. After we pour dressing in our Arzo pasta and mix very well, our yummy and healthy and very colorful pasta salad is ready. I hope you guys like this recipe. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, bye.